Hey guys, another really quick video for the Food and Eating in Japan playlist. We actually showed you this Domino's store a few years ago in a video, but it wasn't nearly as busy as this. We've never seen it this busy. There's customers in the car park waiting for their orders. There was cars coming in and then giving up and leaving because it was just too busy. And they're trying to keep as many people out of the store as possible, so they're letting people come in and go up and order, and then they're asking them to go wait in their cars and they'll bring the order to them. So the busiest we've seen this store, there might be 4 or 5 staff in there. This particular day there was 15, and that didn't include the people that were out on scooters delivering, which is most of their work apparently is deliveries. And this is just the people there to pick up. Bottle of alcohol outside, which is what we're seeing everywhere at the moment, of course. But yeah, super busy. Apparently safety is their priority, and then the rest's in Japanese. So interestingly, Domino's is actually English friendly. They do have an English website in Japan. You can order online in English. The people in the store don't speak English, of course, but that's fair enough. But they do have menus in English as well, so they are actually an English friendly company. But obviously that wasn't the point of this video. The point of this video was just to show you how incredibly busy they were. It was amazing. So they're doing very well at the moment. Anyway, there that was. More videos coming soon.